In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email notifications in Ninja Forms. By the end, you'll have notifications going to the right people with a clear subject message and reliable delivery. Let's start by getting to the place where email notifications live. If you're following along with a guide, open the section on adding email notifications and choose the option to add an email notification so you're looking at the right controls. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard and go to Ninja Forms, then open the dashboard. Find the form you want to update. Hover over it and click Edit, or use the gear icon to open the form builder. Along the top, select the Emails and Actions tab. Here you'll see any existing email actions. Most forms have at least one by default. To create a new notification, click Add New Action and choose Email from the drawer. Click the new email action to open its settings. This is where you configure who receives the message, what the subject will be, the content of the email, and whether any files are attached. Start with the recipient. In the To field, you can enter one or more static email addresses or insert a merge tag that pulls the address your user typed into the form. Using merge tags is great for confirmation emails sent back to the submitter. Next, set a clear subject so recipients can recognize the message at a glance. In the message body, write a friendly, informative note and optionally include merge tags to display submitted values, like the person's name or selections. Review the from name and from address to match your site or brand, and set reply to the user's email if you want replies to go back to them. If your form allows uploads and you want them sent via email, enable attachments, but keep in mind that large files can impact deliverability. When everything looks good, click Done or Save inside the action, then publish or update the form so your changes take effect. Don't skip testing. Submit a sample entry on the live form, confirm the email arrives promptly, and check formatting on both desktop and mobile. If you don't see it, check spam or junk. A few deliverability tips before we wrap up. Use a proper mailer or SMTP plugin so your site sends authenticated email. Align your from address with your domain and avoid free webmail as the sender. Keep subjects concise and messages clean with minimal links and images, and consider adding a plain text version if your setup supports it. With these steps and best practices, your Ninja Forms notifications will be consistent, clear, and reliable.